Firstly, let's look at manoeuvrability. The safe surround bed has the option to have 4 lockable castors fitted at time of install. This is great for being able to move the bed around within the room, enabling easier cleaning under the bed or a bedroom rearrangement. The castors, however, add 16.5 centimeters to the overall height of the bed. So if you're adding the castors to the safe surround 170 bed, please check the height of your ceiling to ensure the bed will fit. Now let's look at maintenance. Maintenance is very minimal on the safe surround bed. However, when required, repairs must be performed by a trained technician. To ensure the safe operation of the bed, a visual inspection and function test once per year is required, which involves the following. Clean the track where the doors lock into place. Ensure there's no fraying on the hand controller cord. Ensure all 5mm Allen bolts on the bed are tight. Raise and lower the bed to check any obstructions. Raise and lower the head and leg elevation to check the function. And last but not least, change the 2 9-volt batteries in the motor section. What happens if I have a power cut? Can I still use the bed? Well, the short answer is yes. In the event of a power cut, you can lower the bed to a safe sleeping height if it was left in the upper position. If you do, however, live in remote areas or areas where power cuts were frequent, we would recommend running the bed via a UPS system to ensure that it's never left in the upper position at time of sleeping.